welcome to day 3 of Slime Week. Today we're going to be making glow-in-the-dark glitter slime. It's going to be so cool. At the end we're going to see if it actually glows in the dark. So we have Elmer's glue, glow-in-the-dark glue, and it's got some glitter in it, so let's get to it. Okay, so what you're going to need for today is you're going to need Elmer's glue, you're going to need baking soda, you're going to need contact solution, and you're going to need water. We're going to see how much. You're going to need about 4 to 5 ounces of water today, which 4 ounces is about a half a cup if you're trying to gauge it, and some teaspoon, tablespoon measures. You're going to need the teaspoon for today. Now, okay, so you're going to start with your Elmer's glue, glow-in-the-dark glitter glue, and you're going to open this up, and we're going to use the whole entire container. What you're going to do is you're going to dump it into your bowl. Whoa, it's like chunky. And then you're going to grab your water and we'll. Okay, so you're going to need your 4 ounces or half a cup of water, a little bit over because this bottle is 5 ounces. So you're going to dump in the water into your bottle, as you know from the other days we've been doing this, just so, oops. So it was 5 ounces. I guess we have a lot more glue. So if it fills to the top, that's fine. Maybe dump a little bit into your bowl. And then shake it up. Shake it up really good. Then you're going to dump it back into your bowl and we'll be... Okay, so I lied. It's definitely nowhere close to a half a cup of water. It was, so I don't really know how you should gauge it. You should pretty much gauge it that there's water in the bowl and it's mixed with the glue and it's a little chunky.
Yeah, it will get hardened as you stir it.
So it'll be a little liquid. Definitely nowhere close. Probably like, I don't know how much I use. I think I use like 1/8 of a cup. I don't even know if you can measure that out. But just kind of, so there's water in here. You can always add more at the end. So let's move on to step 3.
So for step 3 today, we are going to be adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now let's stir it up and see what happens. So I can actually kind of feel it getting a little bit liquidy because I think that kind of like gets all the chunks away and makes it more smooth. Actually, Okay, so now we're going to be using our contact solution, which you're going to need a lot of this week. So I have a bottle, and I hope this lasts me the whole week, but let's do this. So there was really no measured amount you need. You should probably just start little by little, squirt some in, mix it around. Oh, wait, look at that. It's already starting to like solidify and make slime. So you can add a little bit more and then mix it up again. Look at that. So just keep mixing it up until yours forms non-sticky slime. And we'll be... Can you see?
Gabby, shh. We're filming.
Oh,
and
hi.
this is going in the video.
Okay.
Can you scooch over a little bit?
Sorry. Okay, so we're back.
I know, ready?
3, 2, 1.
Action. Okay, so now is the end result. This one actually didn't fail, and this made really perfect slime. This is definitely a really good recipe. So if it's too sticky, add more contact solution. If it's too hard, too bad. You can add more water if need be, but you just kind of have to stick with it. It's hard to fix hard slime. So work it slowly. Do contact solution slower than you need to. Add a little bit at a time. And so, but look at this stuff. This turned out so good. And it sounds awesome. It folds awesome, so you can make big bubbles. And let's see if this stuff actually glows in the dark.
Let's go. Come along with us.
Stop the video. Okay, so we're in a closet, so we can turn off the lights, and it's going to be completely dark with our slime. And we're going to see, will this stuff glow in the dark? I don't know. Ready? 3, 2,
You're going to be dark.
1.
Oh my
gosh. Look at that. Look how good that glows.
That's so cool, Jonah.
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
Okay, I'm going to try making a bubble. Wow. So we're just going to play with this stuff. Oh my gosh. Let's see. You got it? Okay, now we need to talk about, as you know, for every video, we got to talk about some slime. Okay, so now we're going to be talking about some slime safety tips and precautions for when you're playing or making your slime. So first off, we're going to start with adults should handle any chemical products. So if you're using like contact solution or borax or anything that has chemicals in it, you should let your parents do that part of the slime, of adding that to your slime, so you do not get hurt or you do not inhale it or drink it or something that could really, really hurt you. So next, adults should always help you make the slime. They should be there, they should handle the chemicals, and just be there to help you so you don't make a huge mess and you can stay safe. Next is you should always read the labels for the products that I'm using or that you're using. If contact lens solution is accidentally ingested, seek medical attention immediately. You should not be drinking contact solution that can kill you or severely damage you. So next is this project is not suitable for children under the age of 4 years old. Slime is, even though it's super fun, if eaten, it can get stuck in your throat and it could really hurt someone or even suffocate them. Next, slime should be placed in Next, slime should never be placed in the mouth. So, because you do not want to ingest it, because if this does have chemicals in it, so if you do eat it, it can really hurt you or make you sick or even kill you sometimes. Whoever knew slime could be so dangerous? Next is, this is really good for keeping your slime nice and clean and pretty, like how it starts. Always wash your hands before and after you use it. If you're using food coloring, the slime can dye your hands. Don't worry, it will come out, it will not stay there forever, but you should always wash your hands before and after you use the slime. If you notice any skin irritation, discontinue the use immediately. So if you have sensitive skin, you can wear gloves while playing with the slime. So I did buy a few pairs of gloves that I can be using in these next few videos if my hands do get irritated. Next, and the final one is, slime is a science experiment. Also, it's an activity and should be made and played with in moderation. Do not use the slime for extended periods of time because it might wear out or get not sticky or just get really messy. So, let's go. Okay, so
Back. Woohoo!
we decided to do the end of this video in the dark so we can still play with our slime more, our glow-in-the-dark slime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully yours turned out just like ours. Gabby.
You can see yourself. Look at the lantern.
So hopefully yours turned out like ours, because this is a super fun one. You can make sure you light it up, like buy a light bulb or a lamp or something before you go and play with it in the dark, just so you can get the best results out of it. And we hope to see you guys tomorrow, where we're going to be making foam slime.
Woo!
Ooh, and the next day, we're going to be making color-changing slime. And on day 7, which will be Sunday, I'm going to show you guys the best slime recipe in the world. The best slime recipe. I know, you can't believe it, but we'll be back tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.
And for all y'all out there, here's Jerry. I forgot to bring him into this video, but don't worry, he'll be in the next video. So, everyone say bye to Jerry.